Welcome to this Easy Tech Fix It channel, and today there's an Apple event that is happening. And in that Apple event, there are a few things we're going to talk about. One of them, Apple Watch. So basically, Apple Watch has been a device that Apple has been offering for a while now, and it of course is evolving. And one of the biggest problems with the Apple Watch for a lot of people is the fact that it's an expensive purchase. Now, Apple has actually decided today to offer something called the Apple Watch SE. So it's apparently an affordable successor to the Series 3 Apple Watch. It would start at $279 and would have cell models at $329. And so it shares some of the features of the new Apple Watch Series 6, including built-in accelerometer, gyroscope, always-on altimeter, sleep tracking functions, and so on. But also is simply a little less powerful, but still a powerful thing. It's the SE package processor has a dual core processor, which also powers this same Series 5, which is the series just before the one they announced today of Series 6. So it's still a very powerful device, and will be interesting to see how it is going to appeal to people that might have thought that a Apple Watch was a little too expensive. So it's the first dedicated affordable Apple Watch. It's meant to compete actually with Fitbit, for example, which is very popular, and some other budget smartwatches that people could be buying for a lot less. So this is going to be interesting to see if it takes on. The other announcement on Apple Watch, of course, is the Series 6, which is now the latest version, with the ability to measure blood oxygen levels. So this is interesting also. It will take about 15 seconds to measure the blood oxygen level, and it actually measures it using infrared and red lights. So this is going to be interesting, and it's one of the things that Apple Watch is trying to be part of, things that have to do with health. So that's for sure. It comes with an S6 processor, which is a new processor which promises to be 20% faster in performance. So this is going to be interesting to look at. And the display of the always-on display is 2.5 times brighter than the last generation Series 5. So apparently easier to read, even outdoors. And of course, a whole slew of different options are available for those that will want that. So kind of interesting, some interesting new devices in Apple Watch. And it's going to be interesting to see if the lower Apple Watch SE, which is trying to compete with, less expensive devices, will bump a market or create a new market for Apple. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.